spot, pin. Maybe he's gonna defend, I wanna roll. Right away. Touch. Right here. Okay? So now kick slowly to finish. Everything the same. Again, remember to be on your elbow. I saw a couple like here trying to hit it and struggling to get the spot. I wanna be here. Okay? Now, hip it, that's already in the pocket. I'm gonna step over. As I'm going, maybe he's defending, already rolling. So I'm gonna come up with him, okay? And now from here, I'm gonna wait a couple seconds. Oh, depends the situation. If I have a lot of time, if I'm competing, maybe I can wait here 1 second to get my points through, and then go for hunting the submission. Maybe I have short time, and I'm not gonna win just with the sweep, so I need to submit, so I'm gonna hunt the submission, okay? So from here, the hand that is close to him, I'm gonna bring it to the elbow, just to keep the elbow tight with me, and I wanna roll over that shoulder, okay? So you see I have my knee post, I'm gonna roll that same side, I'm gonna go here, roll and catch, okay? I just don't want him to go to his knees again. So catch the shoulder, and then the material, right? I'm gonna catch the material, it's gonna pull into me until I'm able to hug the shoulder. So from here, I don't have to sit up anymore. I'm just gonna keep this in place, can be hugging here and maybe the material, if you feel like better grip here. And the way I'm gonna finish is by moving my hip away from him. Just make sure to go very slow because it's very tender and you're gonna hurt your partner if you go too hard. So the free leg, just post, and I'm gonna start moving away until he top, okay? Go slowly. Again, if I do one hard hip escape, I'm gonna hurt him, okay? One more time. So sometimes I'm already here in the spot, and maybe he posture up too much too. So he postured too much, right? I didn't have to do the roll. I just catch him here. Okay, and it's the same. It's just like moving away from him to finish, okay?